All right. We're nice and live. Nice and live. Nice and live. Where is this? Where is this? Get rid of this. Get rid of this. Good morning, guys. As you trickle on in here. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Wow, look at this ripper. Look at the freaking ripper. Holy crap. Good morning, guys. Good morning. You guys, I'm in a swing trade long overnight, and it's up $4,000. Holy shit. Keep going. Wow, look at this awful fucking pinner here, dude. No, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Good morning, guys. Good morning. All right. It's just me today. You guys are fucking you guys are stuck. Good morning. What in the fucking Drake, dude? You guys are stuck with me today. Lawrence is out. He's just not gonna be on. I think he has something to do at his house or some shit. So you guys are stuck with me. So good morning. Good morning. Welcome in. We're gonna go over some stuff. It's Monday. Number one, first of all, happy Monday. Doing this protein coffee. It's pretty good. But what I was gonna say is no news Monday. Good morning. No news Monday. I want to go over some TA with you guys, some technical analysis here. So that's a mess. Okay. So no news Monday. We have a lot of news in the back half of the week. According to Forex Factory, again, no news today. We have CPI tomorrow. We have PPI on Wednesday. We have retail sales and unemployment claims on Thursday. And then on Friday, we have Michigan consumer sentiment data. So we have data literally the rest of the week. Today, we got none. No data. What does that mean, right? I love setting expectations for the day. That means I don't expect a lot today. I expect it to be pretty choppy and pretty tough. I'm honestly really, really cautious today. I'm going to just be super, super patient here. You guys saw too, I was transparent. Friday, I fucking went on tilt and then I was down 3K and then came back and I was up 1.2K. So that wasn't fun. But shit happens. So it is what it is. So anyways, going in today, I'm like, just don't be a retard. That's like my number one goal. I'm like, just don't do that. I don't want to do that today. So that for sure is going to be my focus today, is just not to do much at all. And I'm going to let it play out. But back to the weekly analysis. So one thing that Drew and Strong Trading pointed out last week, which really, really helped, is this weekly bar. So if you're familiar with it, it's not the best on NMNQ. Let me show you on YM. I'm kind of watching this YM a bit more this week. Check this out. So expansion bar, continuation bar, a little pause bar. Then we broke the low. The fact that we gapped down actually on Sunday, I think is pretty nice. I like that we gapped down because this gave a chance for sellers to step in and take it lower right away, but they didn't. And I think the failed attempt to go lower here is good for the bulls ultimately. So pretty much what I'm watching is just this weekly bar this week. I want to see, especially in this scenario right here, we've already overshot it and started to come back up. I want to see this thing fucking fill all the way back up here and extendo clip higher. That's what I'm looking for. Like a 1, 2, 3 setup type deal. If we get something like that, that would be really nice. It doesn't look as good on NQ, that's for sure. NQ, it's looking like, it's not as clean. But if this extends, because this already kind of attempted to go lower, if this extends and goes, that'll be pretty nice. So I'm watching for that scenario potentially. That'll be nice. And again, Monday morning, I'm not trying to be aggressive here. I'm being really, really patient off the open. That's kind of my focus. That's my goal. That's what's going on with it. That's what I want to do. So yeah, that's kind of what I'm watching. In the meantime, the levels, if you want to like kind of just zoom it out, I think you can see this on an hourly chart a little bit better. Maybe even a 4-hour. Actually, you can see it really good. So 4-hour, pretty much down here, this 800. Just so many times this has been tested, right? If I literally was to draw a line right here, which I will, just so you guys can kind of see. Look at this shit, right? Pinned into here, held, came up. We barely swept this little high right here. Lower high, lower high, lower high. Then here sweeps this low, but then kind of holds its support again. And then what I really liked actually is this 4-hour bar attempted to go lower and basically put it in a double bottom. And then we had a bullish engulfing bar here. So again, bigger picture analysis, I want this to go back higher towards the end of the week. I think that is kind of the most likely scenario. Until we break down below 800, I'm bullish. I don't need to be the first one in. I don't need to be like, trying to short the shit. Shit's bullish. I want to stay bullish. It makes the most sense to me. That's what I'm going to do. So that's the focus. And obviously, as we kind of come towards the top of the range, we'll see what happens. I don't know. Maybe today we get a full range day. We go 800 all the way to 23,100. That could be a possibility as well. Do I expect the range to break today and continue? Really don't. I have low expectations, like I said. But that's the plan. Did that help, guys? Hopefully that helped. It's just me today. So you guys got to fucking talk in the comments. You got to give me some love. Okay? Give me some stuff in the comments. Good morning, Brian, Drew, Will, stock market scientist, Sanjeev, the fit trader, Mark. What's good? What's going on? So yeah, that's kind of what I'm watching today. That's levels wise. Basically anything that just pulls back into VWAP pretty much now. I'm like, yo, let's run it. Let's run it. So VWAP obviously went down here. Also, like I said, I have a little swing trade open, a little swingy dingy. Let me pull it up. Let me pull it up. And I'll be honest with you guys. I opened this Tick Trader Live account that finally gave it to me, and I got smoked on Asia 3 days in a row, hit my max loss. Real money. Down $7,000 on the account. But that's the problem when they give you an account that you don't care about. I'm kind of just like, okay, I'm honestly like transparency. That my side Asia account is literally a YOLO account. I don't give a fuck about it. But you kind of have to, yeah, today's goal not to be a retard. Yeah, exactly. But when you have side accounts like this, it just know what kind of accounts they are, right? Like, yeah, it's a live account, it's real money and stuff, but they don't. The experience I've had with Tick Trader just hasn't been good. Honestly, it has not been good, and so because of that, I'm gonna show you guys this. Let me share this tab instead. Can you see? Can you guys see this? Can we see it? Yes, we can. Oh, reset your browser. Can you guys still hear me? It's saying I'm having some issues here. Give me some, if you can hear me in the chat. Can you guys still hear me in the chat? Yes, you can. Okay, cool. Thank you, Shadow. Appreciate it. My streamer is bugging out. Okay, check this out. Live trading, right? Real account. Real account. Boom. Real account here. No, you guys can hack it. I'm long. Again, for transparency, this account initially was at 15 grand. I'm down 7K on this account because I just don't care about it. But I took a swing overnight. I actually got like a really good fill way down here initially. Look at my stop, guys. I kid you not. I went to sleep. Look at this. Fucking look at it. Look at it. I didn't get stopped. I didn't fucking get stopped. I'm long 2 contracts on MQ. I didn't fucking get stopped. Crazy. So I like this. Unfortunately, margin requirement wise, I can't hold this overnight again. You need like 17K per contract to hold overnight, quote unquote, with Tradeovate, which is so stupid. But to intraday trade it, you need $1,000 per contract. I don't know why that makes sense. And as you guys know, like overnight technically is literally the 1 hour window. It's so stupid. So yeah, theoretically, I guess I could just close it and re-enter it if I want, but like you got to sit through all the drawdown and all that type of stuff potentially. So, but yeah, this is pretty cool, pretty neat. I don't know. Maybe this ends up getting all smoked right now and dying, but I'm just going to let this trade. I'm going to be focused still on the top 1 account intraday trading today. But I just want to show you guys that. I think that's kind of neat. So let's go back to this tab. Cruise back to here. But yeah, let's get it going. So Right now, we are rejecting. First of all, we filled the gap overnight, right? We have the 15-minute here. We had this gap. We just filled it overnight, which is good. We have the overshoot. We're rejecting now. We do have near-term volume point of control right here at 22,942, which is literally where the gap filled. So I'm interested in this area. I really don't like how it's rejecting right now. It's pretty freaking ugly, to be honest, for the bulls. But again, like I told you, Monday morning, I'm just trying to be patient. I just don't want to be aggressive or anything. It's just not my plan today to do that. I really just don't want to do that on the Monday. So yeah, we're kind of just waiting. We're chilling. I'm gonna be super, super patient. It might be a little boring because it's just me, but you guys can ask me questions. You can do whatever you want. That's the plan. In the meantime, check out Top One Futures. If you guys haven't checked them out, the 55% off sale did end, unfortunately. If you snooze, you lose. But they're doing 45% off now. And if you are interested in that, still a pretty decent deal. I think it's 25% or 30% of the intraday of the instant funded accounts, the ones I like to trade that don't have trailing drawdown, intraday trailing drawdown. So if you guys are interested in that, check that out. Top One Futures. Also, side announcement, we'll have some spots opening for coaching. Finally, we've been so slammed on it and just like brimmed out. But that's how it works. Like people have usually coaching is 4-month packages. So as people are kind of like finishing packages or decide not to, re-sign or whatever, spots open up. It's business, right? That business. So that's just what's happening with that. If you guys are interested, check out strongtrading.com, apply. And we'll look at your application. Okay, we're pulling back here. We're coming into VWAP. You already know I'm pretty interested down here. I don't like these rejections, though. They're pretty aggressive. So we do have confluence, though. We have prior day low coming here and VWAP. So I think if we get a little overshoot here of VWAP into prior day low area, maybe even if we sweep this 864. Okay, here we go. Starting to come into here. I'm be looking for something here. Okay, prior day lows right here. We got VWAP just below it. I need to find something here. Let's see. Okay, extension. Give me some sort of signal bar here. This is way too aggressive. Ooh, really aggressive. Give me something down here, dude. This is way too aggressive. $870. I like the 840 area. Personally, this is just really, really aggressive. Look at this volume increasing. It's hard to pull the trigger here without any signal bar or something to work with. I need something. Damn, that's a really extended candle. SPY kind of lagging with it. I want 840. I'm going to try this. I'm going to try this with the stop right below 840. Let's go 836. $300 stop. Kind of big. But again, I want to give it room into 840 if it can do it. I really don't like that bar. I feel like this is a tad early. I kind of want to cut this actually and retry it. Let's see. No, I'm gonna stick to the original plan. I'll just get back in if I need to. I do want 840. This bar is just so aggressive. On the other side of the coin, YM is holding up much better than this. That's for sure. Okay, don't take me out here. Don't take me out. Have it be just enough breathing room. Here's the 840s. Here's the 840s here. Nice. That's what I want to see. It's exactly what I want to see. Come on. Hold 840s. Hold the line, my friend. That's exactly where we want to bounce. We got ES pulling into VWAP. We got the 840 area, like I said. That's what I want to see. I like this. I kind of want to add a couple more. I'm not more. I added 2 more. Let's see if this can hold. See if she can hold here. Decent spot to bounce, that's for sure. ES sitting right on VWAP. And the 840 area. Got YM still pushing higher. We got RTY still pushing higher. Might have picked the wrong one today, guys. Might have picked the wrong one. We'll see. Give us something to work with. Give us something to work with here. YM still going. Drew, that YM analysis is looking good, bro. And RTY going too. Come on. Pick it up with it. Pick it up with it. Pick it up with it. Catching a knife. Yeah, you know, that's what I do. I catch some knives, brother. Let's see. Let us see, my friend. Just a good place to catch the knife. Good attempt to catch the knife. It's doing exactly what I kind of want it to here. A little push here into prior. Let's retest prior day low or reclaim it. Back into VWAP here. Everything's pushing good. This is a good bounce spot. I like this spot. Very decent bounce spot here. Went back into VWAP here. 80s area. God, YM and RTY just still pumping. How's a 3-minute look? Okay. Over reclaiming VWAP here. We need to reclaim prior day low. But YM pushing, dude. RTY pushing. Yep. 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 Back into 900s. Decent little spot here. We're at 1-to-1 right now. I want to reclaim it. Dude, I want 23,000. I'm not going to lie to you. I'm not going to lie to you. I don't know if that's being too aggressive on the Monday, though. Let's see. RTY and YM are fucking going. ES is basically back at the highs. It's a good market-wide bounce here, dude. Very good market-wide bounce. It's going. It's going. Tis going, my friends. Tis going. $42. You know what? I do want to take some off at the retest of VPOC. I'm gonna take off some here. Limit sell. I'm gonna sell 4 here if we can get up there. Just overshot New York VWAP. Oh, ES is reclaiming this whole bar. This looks really good. Holy shit. Okay. See if we can aim for these highs here. Actually reclaim it. Let's see, my friends. Let's see. Let us see. Let us see. Wow, RTY, dude. Fucking small cap summer. It is small cap summer. Mike, I kept saying small cap summer. All right, can we get one more push here? Cover me 18 more points. Let's see. There we go. Keep pushing it. Keep pushing it. Keep pushing it. Keep pushing it. Yes, back at high a day. Get some follow through here on NQ. That'd be nice. No, don't reject here. I think it wants a retest VPOC. Makes sense. So I have my order out here to cover some at least. Cover 4 into 38s. We can get up there. Keep it going. Keep it going. Trying. It's a trying, my friend. It's a trying. I will move this up now, though. Probably to here, 247. Wish I had some more structure to work with on this trail. Actually, that's good. I like that right there. It's perfect on the 2 minute. Perfect on the 2 minute there. Cover me some. 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 34. Wow. Rejection. Rejection. 32s is pushing. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Come on. I love getting edged like this, dude. I'm just a fucking king of it. No, this looks decent still. I don't want to fucking overthink this. RTY is rejecting. I don't like that. I feel like this wants one more test, though. 42s at least, at a minimum. At a minimum. Don't give me a 2 minute bearish engulfing bar. Come on, bro. I don't like that. We don't like that. We don't fucking like that, guys. Okay, overshoot, pin this, and then next bar go. Come on. No. No, no, no. Don't do that. Don't do that. I'm just the king of getting edged. Let it trade. I'm not going to overthink it, overstress it. Pulled back to VWAP on New York right here. That was his bounce. Decent bounce. Follow through. Give us 40. Give us 38s. Come on. How does this always happen? You guys see how this happens to me? I'm like 42 is my target. I'm like 38. That's conservative. Hopefully I don't get edged. And I get fucking edged. Push beyond this on this 2 minute, dude. Come on, cover me some. Don't be like this. 5 minutes still looks good. 5 minutes still looks good. Little hamskis here. If we break this low and then really like die below here, I should probably go to break even, to be honest. I want to get this fucking cover. It's kind of ridiculous I'm not getting it. I think I'll get it right here. Push. Push it. Push it. You ain't done. You ain't done, my friend. No, push. Push, 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 push. Feels like it's 22,947 here. Yeah, I got 22 or 22,942 is near-term volume point of control. So that's why I put it out at 38 just to be safe. Come on. Oh my God. Don't fucking edge me like this, dude. This is insane. No, dude. Are you really going to do that? Look at this shit, guys. Oh my God. I was literally a point. 1 point. 1 fucking point. Wow. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Still going to hold it. Be patient. Fucking ridiculous. Every time. Every freaking time. Just hold. Just hold it. 22,920 needs the hold. Nah, I got VWAP below. They still got prior day low. If we lose 880s, I know it's kind of like a big stretch. I'm gonna go to break even now. I just feel like that's irresponsible not to go to break even on a trade like this. To be honest, in my opinion, I don't like how this is rejecting here. That's for sure. I'd love to see this hold, and then one more push, come and sweep the highs, and just call it a day. I know you still want 23,000. Come on. Decent reactions here, that's for sure. Right off VWAP on New York VWAP. Come on. Decent hold here. Like this 2 minute, this little 2 minute overshoot. See this little teeny overshoot of this bar, and then they kind of try to hold it. I like to not see this go back down below that. Everything else looks pretty heavy though. That's what I'm kind of worried about. YM's heavy now. Heavy rejection. ES barely overshot the highs and rejected. Ugh. Kind of ugly. Kind of fucking ugly, guys. Dude, don't edge me on the Monday like this, please. I just don't want to do it. Not today. Isn't trading great, guys? What do RTY reject off of? I don't know. I know YM had near-term volume point of control. RTY, same thing. Near-term volume point of control. Yeah. That was the craziest edging ever. Just not letting it phase me today. I'm like, nah, not today. Not freaking today. Reclaim all this, then push higher into 38s. What the fuck? Come on. Go. Go, go, go. Can we get it? Can we get it? Let's try them. I think this looks good. Yeah, we just overshot New York VWAP and we were holding it on a 5-minute close. Looking pretty good. See this little overshoot here. Hold. somewhat decent so far. I don't want them to keep rejecting it like this, though. I don't like that. Oh, VIX is going. VIX is interesting. VIX is green, which is not good for us long fellas. Trying to let this breathe and play out, though. Trying my hardest to do so. Oh my god. Don't fucking take me out, please. That's all I ask. Low volume, low liquidity means some jolty ass moves like this. Scary lower lows. No, I mean, how's the 15 look? Right? Look at this. If we wick fill this, it's looking more decent. Pretty decent. We can wick fill it. Really struggling here, though. Trying to let this work, guys. You guys might see me get fully edged. Be annoying, but kind of just is what it is. Nice. Much better. Much better. Keep pushing. Keep on pushing. Fill this wick. Fill the wick. Fill the wick on the 15 shots. Fill the wick, my friend. Give me a John Wick fill. Nice. Nice. This looks good now. Much better. I'm going to raise this to 42. 41.75 for the gang. So either get double edged or it works. We'll see. It's trying. It is a trying, my friends. It's a trying. How you guys doing in the chat? How we doing? Find anything? Not really much to work with besides the one entry I got there. There we go. Starting to push here more. Can we push through it? Can we push through? We held New York V up really nice. Really, really nice. Can we get another 10 points here? Looks like it's trying. Looks like it wants to. Sure wish it wouldn't take so long. How's the 5-minute look? See, 5-minute looks a lot better. If we can close up here, next candle push, at least get the cover. Still around this area, I expect it to be tough. We do have, like I said, we got near-term volume point of control, so that's why I rejected initially the overshoot. The overshoot, the fake flush, the reclaim, the consolidation, the move back higher. It's just, wouldn't be surprised to see price stay within this 15-minute range. Yeah, definitely could. Definitely could. Dude, this fucking thing is just toying with me so hard. Trying so hard to just be patient. Push it back through, dude. Come on. There we go. Think we'll get the cover, chat? I think we'll get the cover. I just bought this like protein iced coffee from Sprouts. It's pretty fire. It's pretty fire. This looks like last Monday, by the way. Where's Lawrence? Is he cheating on you? No, he had like some shit to do around his house today and he couldn't stream, he said. So you just, like I said, you're stuck with me today. You are stuck with me, my friends. All right, give us the fucking cover here, please. I am patience. God. This 930, dude, is like fucking molten lava right now. I think we get it, though, the way it's acting. At least give me the cover, dude. Come on. At least give me the cover. Come on. Please give me the cover. Luckily, no theta for you. Yeah, thank God no theta, dude. Fuck options. Oh, options aren't bad. It's just like, it's just annoying when they fucking, yeah, when they do theta you. Wow, am I going to get double edged right now, dude, because I moved that? Don't double edge me. Give me it right here. Come on, 42. Come on, push it. Give us a fucking push, dude. Look how patient I'm being. This is so ridiculous. We're going to get it. We're going to get it. Can we get it? Oh my God. Just come on, bro. Fucking push it. You're literally right there. Push past 40. Give me 42. Wow. I'm getting double edged right now, guys. This is fucking terrible. This is so annoying. It's just slow. It's doing what it should. It's just really slow. Nasdaq has a larger time frame downtrend. Will be hard to have enough momentum to make a new high today. I don't think I'm not looking for like a daily breakout. I'm just looking for a sweep of today's high. I think we might sweep this high up here. I don't know. Could be wrong. That's why I'm looking to cover right here, at least like some of them. It's ridiculous, dude, at this point. I'm gonna fucking, I might just manual sell this now. This is getting ridiculous. I just don't want to be greedy today. I don't feel like I'm being greedy. It just like I just gotta be patient. Really asking for one more little pop higher. It's not a lot. 34. Come on. You're so damn fucking close. 34s again. 35s. Push. Can you give me it, please? Overshoot. Push. Just go, dude. No fuckery. No fuckery. Oh my God. Fucking go. Do something. Push higher. I'm getting so edged right now. I might just take it all off, guys. I'm kind of getting over it. I don't want to be this greedy. Let's see. Give him one more chance. 40s here again. There we go. Fuck yeah. W's in the chat. W's in the fucking chat. Okay, here is this push here. For fuck's sake, yeah. Careful that hangman, yeah. See, well, here's that. This is a VPOC, like I'm saying. If we're going to reject here and die, this is where it's going to happen. But I'm just going to let this play out now. I'll probably keep my stop below. Where do I trail this, dude? 81s. VWAP's at 90. Yeah. Seems about right. No, I mean, I'm already green. I'm going to let this try to work. I think it's just going to be like low volume, low bullshit. And just see if it goes. Let's see, 34s. What's 200 from here? Around 600. I don't even think I need that much. I think I'm going to go for this wick right here. 559. 559. See if we can get it. See if we can get it, my friends. Ugh. And you know what? I'm going to sell one more. I'm selling one more. I'm just trying to lock this in a bit better. I don't want to be super duper greeny. Not on the Monday. Not on the Monday. See, here's a rejection of VPOC. Here's our rejection of VPOC. W's, thank you. Way to let it play. Thank you, Fit. Appreciate it. That was some fucking patience, dude. That really toyed with me, and I'm glad I started locking stuff in here too. I still want to be greedy on the Monday, like I said. It just seems stupid. Now, worst comes to worst, I'm going to make over $700. Rejecting as expected. But if we kind of hold this little range, it doesn't even matter. This can chop around and then fucking go higher. I still think we come up and sweep this, dude. I think we go to 23,000. I still think we do, to be honest. Still think we do, my friends. Go take a shit, come back, I'll be up there. Pass one, top step eval, went up 1,300 up on two, take profit evals, need 300 over the next 3 days to pass some. Nice, good shit. Check out top one futures. That's what you want to check out. Let's see what else we got in here. Brian, you're waiting for ES to test VWAP or yesterday's low once more for entry long, if not sitting cash for now. I think that's a fair play. I like this ES structure though. That just overshot on the 5 minute. I like these 5 minute bars, dude. This overshoot to hammers. Like this is where everyone thinks it's gonna fail. And then if they close it up here, this thing's just gonna go. I don't see why not. I don't see why not. You know what? We're gonna make it a little fun. We're gonna go just one off here. Limit sell one if we can get it right into liquidity. This at 61. We're gonna go just a little bit below that. I'm gonna go 59s. Let's go 59 right here. Just to not be greedy, not be the dickest for the tickest. And we'll see if the runner can go for the highs up here. That'd be cool. That'd be neat. That'd be a picture perfect play. You got great patience. Thank you. I appreciate that. I just knew what I wanted to see. Like it's just, I think when you outline really big weekly levels like this and weekly scenarios, and then it's just doing what you want it to do, all these pullbacks and stuff like that, I'm like I told you, I'm like, dude, until we break down here, this 800, like I expect all of this just keep getting bought back up. They filled the gap. They want to bring it higher. I expect this shit to go, in an ideal world this week, this shit goes to like 23,250 at least, maybe even higher and further than that. You know, obviously I don't have a crystal ball, but like that's how I like to look at scenarios. I'm like, okay, well, this is like the value area way down here, which is like last week's weekly low. If we hold last week's low and put in that kind of 3-bar play like I'm talking about on the weekly that Drew kind of brought up, again, right? It's like this would look really nice if we could do that. Like if this can engulf this year, it's like I could see this extending and just price discovery just going higher and higher and higher. So, okay, where are we at? We get another cover into 59, friends. Can we get it? Can we get it? Can we get it? How are we doing? How are we doing? We're back up to still holding the swing trade on the other account. I need to get this back to break even. I just told you guys I was down $7,000 on my live account. I'm sure Ticket Trader's fucking risk team is like, what the fuck, dude? This guy. Like, well, that's what you get for making me wait 2 months. I'm eager to full port. It's their fault. Looking decent here, ladies and gents. I love this 5-minute. This failed attempt to go lower here. Reclaim the low. This looks fucking good, guys. Looking real good here. Real nice. Very decent. F them, send it. Yep. Give me the cover here. Give me 59 cover. Give me the 59 sweeper cover. Sweep and cover. Sweep and cover. $15-minute is looking fantastic now. 56. Did we get 59? I get edged again at 56. No, I think I'll get it. Push it. There we go. Another dub skis. Let's go, fam. Let's fucking go. Put the last target here at the highs. Actually, no. Let's go for 23,000, guys. Let's do it. Let's fucking have some fun. Let's not be lame. Let's have some fucking fun. Go exactly 23? No, let's do 94. 93.75. That seems fair, right? And then I'm going to trail this now. That'd be stupid. $65. Over 100 points on NQ on that play. Pretty sick. You guys saw that. Big dubs. Thank you. Thank you. How can I add on here? Will you be adding into your position? You can just buy over here. That's how I do it. I'll just add here. Just buy market. Or you can right click anywhere and do stop, limit, buy. Stop, sell. I do limit buys or limit sells sometimes. Just depends if I'm adding. That's how I go about it. W Mondays. Yes. Man, I absolutely would not have the patience for 100 points. It's all about the risk, dude. I mean, that's the thing is you guys see me kind of obviously take trades in these high risk areas that are kind of tricky, but you see every time I don't risk a shit ton. This one was a little bit more today. That was like $450 of risk at the lows, which is kind of big. But again, once I'm in the driver's seat, once I got this crazy extendo candle, I'm like, dude, okay, fucking let it work now. I'm in the driver's seat. Literally look at this 66, my stop at 41. 20 what 25 points, 25 point stop, 7 contracts you guys saw I had MNQs. Nothing to write home about, but solid, right? I can't complain about that. So now let's just see if we can get the 23,000. That'd be pretty rad. Look at the 15. I want to show you guys this. Love cycling through these charts, right? Engulfed it here. Ideally, we come up here, push higher. Hopefully, we don't overshoot this, though, by a hair and then go. I feel like the greedy, this is kind of greedy going all the way up here, but I'm already up $881. Even if this ends up failing, I'm not, it's not going to make a huge difference. I'm not going to be upset or mad. I just want to let it trade. I'm just okay, cool. Looking good. Looking good, familia. Where are we at? We're up 4,200 on the other account. Wow. See if this can push to 23,000. Maybe we do get some crazy Monday and this pushes all the way back to the top of the range. Then CPI tomorrow just rips us into the fucking ceiling. That would be a cool scenario, right? Who cares about the dollar gain? It's all about the percentage gain. Yeah, I mean, with percentage though, it doesn't really exist on futures. I guess R multiple is what you could, you know, how you look at it. Let's fucking go. Let's go. Thank you, Shadow. Appreciate you. Let's go. Everyone, check out Chop One Futures if you haven't, please. Use my code STRONG. I'm gonna start doing some giveaways, by the way. I need to do that. I need to do some fucking giveaways. Let's go. Push. Extendo clip. Let's go. Okay. Overshoot of the high here. This is the exact scenario I was talking about, though. Is this going to overshoot now and then fucking fall back? Let's see. Peak to trough now. It's like it's pretty, what, 840s up into basically 23,000s, 150 points. Very decent here. I might just cut it here, guys. I'm kind of over it. I'm cutting it. I'm taking the W. 1,100 bucks. W's, please. Thank you. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, $20 more. I'm like, why would I even care about that? Exactly. That was sick. That was a sick one and done. You guys saw, I was like, literally, I stalked this shit as it fucking died. I was like, okay, it's dying. And you guys saw me on 32nd. You guys, everyone can go back and watch this when it's on YouTube. But like, as it came down, I was like, I want 840s. I want 840s around this area. Finally got a signal bar here. I got long here, but because I wanted 840s and I kind of potentially thought of that scenario, I put my stop literally at 36 here. You guys saw that. I didn't get stopped literally by 6 points, which is crazy. But that 840 is like the bigger level I wanted. Then that held. And then I literally just sat patient and let it work. And basic futures just love to seek out liquidity, especially when you have big tail candles like this. I'm like, oh, they're going to want to seek this out eventually, especially if it bounces hard. What happens? Boom, right? Seek it out. Now they take it higher and just let it go. On another note, check this out. Let's share this tab. Look at this, ladies and gents. Up 5,000 real dollars, not sim money. Let's go. Up 5K on this trade right here. This is crazy. I'm letting this still go, though. I wanted 23,000. We're there. But if it just keeps breaking out and going, maybe it goes to the top of the range. I don't know. Like I said, it's a swing trade. If I can get 23,100, that would be fucking epic, dude. This is going to be a $10,000. Oh, shit. Guys, I got to go for it. I got to go for 23,100. Go for a fucking 10K trade. I feel like I got to do it, right? Risk it for the biscuit. I don't want to be a bitch. That'd be sick. It is Mondays. That's the only thing I'm like, oh, man, is that too greedy? It could be a little too greedy to go for that. What do you guys think? Should I lock one here? Or should I take the $5,000 and just run? What do you guys think, guys? What do you think? What do you think? Worm. I don't know what that means. I don't know what this means. Is this W's? What does this mean? Lock one in. I know. That's the smart thing to do. Again, I just like this account is just like my bigger picture idea, especially because I didn't get fucking stopped here. I'm like, dude, I want to let this trade. The problem is I have to close this before the close. But now how it's moving, I want to give it a chance to go up to 23,100. It's only 100 more points. I know only is a big, bold statement, but I kind of want to try. Well, why not try? Close half. Yeah. That's probably the smart thing to do is close half. Yeah. Why is this at 15? That's really aggressive. I want to see if they take out 23 and just fucking go. Because so far, it looks pretty damn good. Look at this hourly. Hourly engulfing this now. This looks fucking good. Like, just the odds of this even going back to break even are so low. What do I have here? There's some fucking fancy lineup here. Oh, okay. Look at this. Look at this shit, right? Some gay thing like this. something like this. Look at that. Hourly. There's trend lines, right? Reject, reject, reject. This is where it would reject. So where it makes sense to reject. I don't know. I'm probably just gonna let this trade. I'm not gonna think about it and overthink it. I will move my stop though. Will I? Yeah, I'll move my stop. I'll move it to here. 840. I know you're like, you're gonna let a trade be up $5,000 and not take some. Yeah, whatever. I don't care about this account. I just, the megaphone. Oh, this. Oh man, sick. One Trump tweet away from break even. Yeah, I know, right? Literally. All right, cool. Well, you guys saw that. Oh wait, so I'm not. We got to do it. We got to do it, right? Go back to this tab here. Lockout, boys. We go custom. Use the lockout feature 6:30 a.m. Yes, lock me out. Boom. We go to settings. We're going to copy trading. We're going to clear this. We're going to save the changes. We're going to go here. We're going to go here. We're going to go here. Custom. 6:30 a.m. Yes, lock me out. I am on the West Coast. That's why I do 6:30. And the last one. No fuckery on this account overnight, even if you want to. That's the kind of the cool part about this. Even if you're like, oh, maybe I'll just take a small little scalp. I'll be green on the day going in tomorrow. No, not doing that. Not doing that. Not fucking doing that shit. Here comes that big old rejection. Rejection. So cool. Thank you for the locks in the chat. Appreciate you guys. Good shit. Check out strongtrading.com. We do have some spots opening for one-on-one coaching this week. Lawrence has a few spots opening. I have a few spots opening. So if you're interested, go check it out. Strongtrading.com. Fill out the form. Be honest on the application. Fill it out in detail if you want me to see it better and pick you. And that's it. We're shutting it down. That's it. 1 hour stream today. That is it. That is it. So good shit. Hopefully you guys caught something out of that or learned something. I always try to, teach a thing or two from my experience. Going on 6 years now of price action. October will be 6 years. And we just take it a day at a time. Learn things every day. Try to figure out new stuff. That's why I'm showing this little swing account thing too. That I'm trying to learn that. See how that goes. I don't know. This could I could go red. I could literally go from up 5K to red on the trade. I don't know. We'll see. But that's that. Good shit, guys. I will chat with you all tomorrow. I don't know if Lawrence will be here tomorrow. I think he will. So probably be back on track, back to our normal scheduled programming, and go from there. So peace.